Then, wala man akong sugar. And may sugar ako doon pero gusto kong abusin itong condense. Ito yung kibali, ginawa akong sugar. Kasi sayang naman. Ito na yung kinalalabasan sa coffee ko. Kape tayo. Huwag na tayong mamili. What we have, we should eat. No choice. No ate-ate. And my bread. Very big bread. This is salmon bread. When you eat the bread with coffee, you make dip this one. Saw-saw. Saw-saw. Saw-saw tayo. Yummy. Discarte mga guys. Para makasurvive. Discarte nasa magandang paraan. Hindi yung ano na guys. Tapos pasalamat. We should thank to our Almighty Father what we have, we receive every day. The blessings, all the blessings that we receive, we have to thanks to God every time. Because without Him, we cannot do anything. Just go on, guys. No surrender, no retreat. Okay? So, only for that, for this time. See you again. Shout out to all, the whole world. To my Bangladeshi brothers and sisters. Ikaw na minasta kay coffee. Amart coffee ita. Love is the instant coffee. Onek muza. Tapos may chini na ita condensed milk. Condensed milk. Diyan na namin diksa na pia Bangladesh. Condensed milk. Instant Mongol. Daka kami dyan na. Tapos amar coffee. Dek. Onek muza. Harot